In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up donations on Squarespace. Let's start right from the top so everything is smooth and clear. Open your browser and head to your Squarespace account dashboard. From the account landing page, open your dashboard for the site you want to use. When you see your list of sites, choose the correct one and click Go to Website. This takes you into that site's manager, where you can make all the changes we'll need. Inside the site manager, open the website section on the left. In the navigation, look for Donations. This is where Squarespace keeps tools specifically for accepting contributions. Click Donations and then click Create to start a new donation setup. Squarespace will show you several options to suit different scenarios. You'll see a standard donation, a mobile donation page, and a fundraiser option. Take a moment to hover over each to read the descriptions so you understand what they're optimized for. For most general needs, choose Standard Donation. Go ahead and select Standard Donation to continue. Next, we're going to make sure your donation page is placed and edited where you can easily manage it. Open the Pages panel. If you don't see your new donation page under your main navigation, expand the Not Linked section. Squarespace often places new utility pages there by default. Look for a page titled Donate and click it to open. Once you're in that page, click Edit so you can work directly on the content. On the page canvas, find the donation block that was added for you. It's the component that powers the actual giving experience. Click the donation block, then choose Edit inside the block to open its settings. This is where you'll connect payments, set up funds, and adjust the design so it looks right for your brand. Start with the payment connection. Click Set up Payment Processor. If your site hasn't connected a processor yet, Squarespace will walk you through a quick setup so funds can land in your account. Just follow the prompts to complete that secure connection. If you've already connected one for other products or services, you'll simply confirm it here. A working processor is essential. Without it, visitors can see your form but won't be able to complete a donation. Now click the Funds tab. Here, you can define where donations are directed and set suggested amounts. Add a clear fund name and short description so donors know the impact of their gift. Consider offering a few suggested amounts alongside an open custom amount. Suggested amounts reduce friction, while the custom option supports larger gifts. If your organization handles multiple causes, you can set that up here as well, but keep labels simple so donors aren't confused. Move over to the Design tab to make it feel like your site. Adjust the layout, button style, and spacing to match your brand's look. Consistency builds trust, so align fonts and colors with the rest of your pages. If you have longer copy, keep it scannable. A brief headline, a 1 or 2 sentence mission statement, and a concise call to action usually perform well. Return to the main donation settings if you need to update the title, description, or default amounts one more time. Clear, action-oriented language, like "Support our work today," helps visitors feel confident about what happens when they give. When everything looks right, click Exit to close the editor and save your changes. Finally, open the Donate page again to review it as a visitor would. Make sure the button is prominent, the amounts make sense, and the page reads smoothly from headline to call to action. If it's in the Not Linked section, you can keep it there and link to it from your navigation or any button on your site. If you want it to appear in your main menu, drag it into the appropriate navigation area. And that's it. Your Squarespace donations are set up and ready for supporters.